What up, YouTube? Let's go ahead and let's talk about what happened this week in trade. So I'll try my best to do a recap every week. Trying things, hold on. Let's do it. Oh, not on Bitcoin, my bad. Not on Bitcoin here. So for what you guys have seen so far, the US dollar has been tumbling down this whole week, and Wall Street, right? US 30 has been going up, creating some new highs. And I wouldn't be surprised if US 30 actually tries and hit 34,000. The things that are making US 30 making Wall Street positive, right? Number one, Joe Biden is bringing up the economy as fast as he can by doing what? Stimulating the economy with more stimulus checks, right? More tax credits, right? More money for low income people. That's just basic what is worked on right now, right? Another thing he's working on is healthcare. So that's going to boost up healthcare companies. So that's big. I'm talking about like the big Fortune 500 companies that are going to be having a lot of investors come in. So I wouldn't be surprised that Wall Street's going to hit up even higher. Same thing with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is breaking even higher as well, past 4,000, right? So it's crazy to see that at this time, that this period this year so far, they have not gone down, and we have not seen a recession yet. I know a lot of guys are probably speculating when we're going to see this recession, when we're going to see the market correction going back down. I don't know. The housing market hasn't been going down either. So the housing market is still there. Low interest rates, right? People are still buying houses. People are still overbidding for houses. So who knows what's going to happen? But that's just my personal opinion, what I'm seeing right now. Gold, look like gold is probably going to end up consolidating here at this price because for what I have highlighted here, there's not a whole lot going on for gold. So who knows what gold's going to be doing. USDJPY looks like it's going to go back down, but then again, it tried to retrace back up to where it was at the day before. So we're kind of like in a mix and consolidation, like tight structure zones, and the price are just starting to narrow down, and there isn't a whole lot to trade off of. So you're better off scalping the markets, probably for the next couple of weeks until we see a more positive trend or maybe a big, breakout out of the markets for this upcoming week here. The pound, not a whole lot. I mean, you can see that it did come down this week, but now it's trying to retrace back up, and you can see that the support price right here at 137 is trying to come back up right now. And I wouldn't be surprised if it actually retraces up from this price anyways. EURGBP, you can see that it has been going up for the past 3 days, and today was Friday and ended up going back down. You can see that 1, 2, 3 bull candles, and you can see the bearish doji candle here. Now, for me, that signifies a sell, and I would totally sell for Monday, not Sunday, Monday, and then go from there and see if it actually decides to break higher again for 88. If not, I don't know, that's pretty much it. Euro, I wouldn't be surprised if Euro tries to retest 120 again, since the US dollar is going back down. Other than that, if it doesn't break the 120, because 120 is right here, and there was two resistance price right here, one here and here. So if it doesn't break the 120 price, probably looking for a sell back down, back to 118 and 117. USD Swiss coming back down. You can see the inverted bull candle here. So me personally, I would sell USD Swiss. Obviously, it hasn't come back to test 94 again, and it's just trickling back down, just like how the US dollar index is going. So almost very similar in pattern with these two pairs. If you compare the DXY with the USD Swiss franc, very close in correlation. That's the easiest way I can say it. USDCAD going back down again. Oil prices are back up. So who knows how high, since Canada's main export is oil. So that's a big driving force for oil right now. But like I said, Canada is going on another lockdown from what I've read so far. So we might see, I don't know, we might see something. I don't know, who knows, but Maybe USDCAD will come back up after hitting 124 again, creating that double bottom structure. If not, if it breaks 124, then we probably end up seeing 123 back down to 121. So Australia right here, consolidation. Same thing with New Zealand, consolidation. These two pairs are pretty tough to work for the past 3-4 days of this week. So obviously this whole week has been nothing but consolidation of these two pairs. And I wouldn't be surprised if these two pairs actually just consolidate within this price range. So I'm going back and forth with Australia and New Zealand because they are moving the same price anyways, and they are correlation with each other unless something major happens with New Zealand or something major happens on the fundamental side with Australia. Other than that, that is it, guys. That's just a quick recap of what I've seen so far, and the markets are closed. Be prepared for Friday. Who knows what's going to happen? Obviously, I'm paying attention to what Joe Biden is doing with the economy for the United States. If for some reason he actually does pass this deal, man, it's just going to skyrocket Wall Street. It's going to skyrocket the stock exchange. It's going to skyrocket more home buyers, right? More investors, right? More people pulling in money, buying more stuff. So that's boosting the economy. But you got to think about it. Eventually, something's got to happen, right? Something's got to fall down, right? So I'm not for sure. Like I said, I'm just giving you my insight from what I'm seeing so far. Maybe at the end of this year, we might see, a drawback or a huge market correction at the end of this year, before Christmas or something. I don't know. It's just what I'm seeing so far of how high the markets are up, right? Housing, real estate, the real estate, your housing market, the Wall Street's up. I'm not talking about crypto, okay? I'm just talking about what the U.S. economy is doing. So, other than that, that's it, guys. Just a quick recap for you guys for this week. Like I said, I will try my best to do it every Friday with you guys here. And then more Mogan videos for you Mogan guys. Yeah, for all you Mogan traders out there. So I'm going to do that too right after this.